Hello friends, today I am showing new type of snacks recipe. This recipe very tasty and very delicious and very easy way making this recipe, and this recipe made by cucumber, potato, egg and carrot. So those who are new visitor in my channel, please give subscribe, like, share and comment. So now let's start. Here I have taken 2 potatoes and now grate well properly. The potato has completed the grated and now added the water and wash well properly. And this washing potato properly dry. And now added the fresh bowl. And then after added the cucumber and grated oil properly. And then after added carrot, grated oil properly. And this grated cucumber and carrot mixed well properly. Then after this grated carrot and cucumber added into the fresh bowl. Then after added chopped onion. Then after added fresh coriander leaves chopped, added chopped green chili. Then after added 1 egg. Then after added 1 tablespoon black pepper powder. Add salt to taste. Again added 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Then after added 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Then after added 1 teaspoon Semolina seeds, that means suji. And now mix well properly. Mixed has done properly, and now we'll go to the next step. And this is the next step, and here added 1 tablespoon refined oil, and now added the marinade and make a round bowl and added into the hot refined oil. See the friends, here fry has done, and now remove from this oil. See the friends, the snacks recipe is done and very well looking and very soft recipe, and this is the very soft, and here is no added refined flour or any purpose flour. So very easy and very snacks এবং very unique recipe. So if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.